everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about dot working in ServiceNow with a practical example. So, first of all, what is dot working? Dot working is a very important concept in ServiceNow. It allows us to access information from a reference record through a reference field. Let's understand this with a simple incident example. This is incident form, right? So, I open incident form. So, we have a field called caller, right? Here caller is reference field, short description, not short description, configure item, assignment group, assign to. Their problem, these are called reference fields in ServiceNow. The main thing is dot working works only on reference fields. So the caller field is a reference field and it references is user table, sys underscore user table. Here we can see these are called users, right? So this caller field is reference another table, that is user table. Here just I right click and configure and select form layout. So for example, suppose I select caller as able tutor. Here able tutor user record contains information such as email, department manager, phone location. So instead of opening able tutor record separately every time, we can access this field through the reference using dot working. Here, the basic format is reference field to target table. So I select here. You can see here, assign to assignment group, caller. Here, this green color are all called reference field. Just I select caller and click this one. So then I select email. Here we can see, right? Email. Just I add. Here we can see caller dot email. Here we can see like dot, like this is dot work. Just I. So again I select. So again I select caller dot and select location. Here we can see caller dot location. Just I save, we can see the changes in incident form. Here we can see email and location. So when I select caller as and select, here we can see automatically populates email and location. So we can check by clicking preview this record. We can see here we can see department name. So So if I want multi-level dot working, so we can first of all what is multi-level dot working? I will explain. So dot working can also work with multi-reference relationship. For example, I select incident dot department head dot name. I want department head name for which I select caller. Here the caller is a reference field to the user table. So the department table is also reference another user record. That means we can continue following the relationship to each another field. So I select. This is called multi-level dot working. So I see in practical. Just I right click again, configure and form layout. So here I select again caller, caller dot I want department head. Department, where we can see department head. I want department head name, right? So I select name. So we can see last name, last login time. But I want name only. I click name. Just I add. Here we can see. This is multi-level dot working in ServiceNow. Call at that department head name. Just I move up to front here. So if I want, select here, I want assignment assign to, right? You can see in starting, right? Assign to. This is another. In assign to, I want domain dot. I want roles. Just I add. Here we can see assign to domain dot roles. So just I save. You can see changes in instant form. So we can see, right? Caller, email, location, name, role. So created. So assign to field. So when I select, here we can see depart here name. You can see department name, right? Department head. When I select here, we'll choose. So we can see email, location, name. Here just I preview this record. We can see here department is customer support. So department head name is here we can see, right? Road wood print. So we can, so when I select here, we can see assign to is user type. But here when I preview this record, so we can't see role, right? Just I select another assign to field. Here we can access these roles. Again I select this available is all roles are available. Okay. When I select this, can add, we can see. We can add roles, right? This is dot working in ServiceNow. So dot working is not limited to just one level. We can follow reference relationship when required. So dot working is commonly used when working with related information across ServiceNow tables. So if you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe for more ServiceNow tutorials. Thank you for watching.